Costly inmates. Jamaicans pay $1.3 million to maintain each prisoner annually. Jamaicans are paying approximately $1.3 million per inmate for their maintenance each year, according to Senator Pernell Charles Jr., State Minister in the Ministry of National Security.
You know, which teach them the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
As he added his voice to the State of the Nation debate focusing on issues related to the penal system. The cost of the care and maintenance of inmates and wards is an issue. It has always been an issue of concern for our country, said Charles Jr. He said that the ministry was trying to find ways to reduce the financial burden on taxpayers. He disclosed that the rate of reoffending is currently 42%, and it now includes convicted individuals who were not in prison. Charles Jr. argued the rate would automatically go up, but in our view, we believe that it is a better way for us to get an authentic view of measuring our success. According to Charles Jr., there will be keen focus on streamlining the operations of the Department of Correctional Services to strengthen service delivery and accountability. This includes looking at the transformation of the organizational structure, the use of new equipment, and an evaluation of staff management. Really, Mr. Minister, may I give you some ideas?
Teach them. Hey, yo, send the message and make it reach them. Teach them right here. Warlord representing.
So peeps, based on my research where I could find information up to 2015, which suggested that a total of 3,860 inmates were in the Jamaican penal system, and give or take, so we are at 4,000 roughly for 2018. Could be more, could be a bit less, right? If, as the minister stated, each of those prisoners costing $1.3 million, when you calculate that, it would amount to a whopping 52 billion Jamaican dollars to maintain the prisoners in the Jamaica penal system. That is a massive burden on taxpayers, and I think there are more than sufficient ways and means and avenues that can be pursued to reduce that and for the country to actually benefit from the persons who are serving time in the country's prison system. Peace, as I've said on this channel many times before, that one of my favorite quotes is that the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. And here we go again. The minister is talking about streamlining operation and organization and at the operational and asked than comfort. And the thing is simple. Put the prisoners to work. Zane, we see them spend over 700 million Jamaican dollars in leading up to the last parish council election about debushing road. Get the prisoners to debush the road. Get electronic bracelets and monitoring devices put on the prisoners and chain them up if so be the case. Bring out the military to oversee them and make them bush the road. You understand? The road maintenance is the next problem in the country. You understand? Some of them thieving contractors here where the government waste taxpayers' money with because of them political associates them. Make the criminals them, I'm not really want to say criminals, the convicts them come out. Come do some of that work. Many gullies are blocked and clogged up. Zane, and during periods of prolonged rainfall, the possibility of flooding exists. Get the convicts and the person serving time within the penal system to go and clean those drains and gullies. You understand? Get the prisoners or the convicts to prepare food for themselves. You understand? Cultivate food for themselves. Zane, so reduce the number of persons that you need to pay to keep the prison system operational. 52 billion Jamaican dollars for some man and woman where no mean the country no good, and Jamaican taxpayers have to be footing that bill. And there are so many ways to reduce that bill, and we have sat here. Peeps, me gone ya.
Hey yo, like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them. Every great story have a history, but it take guts and zeal. So in order for achieve your victory, you gotta put your shoulders to the wheel.
Thank you for watching the video. drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.